Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with KuCoin Savings, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your web browser and go to the KuCoin website. If you do not have an account, click on the sign up button to create a new account. Fill in the required fields with your email address and a secure password. After that, read and accept the terms and conditions. Click on the sign up button to complete the registration. Check your email for a verification link from KuCoin. Click on the link to verify your email address. Once verified, log into your KuCoin account using your email and password. Once logged in, navigate to the Markets section from the top menu. Look for the Savings tab located within the menu options. Click on the Savings tab to access the Savings page. Here, you will find various cryptocurrency savings options. Select the cryptocurrency you wish to deposit into savings. In the pop-up window, enter the amount you want to deposit. Review the terms and conditions for the savings plan. If you agree, click the Confirm button to proceed with the deposit. After confirmation, you will see your savings balance reflected in your account. You can monitor your earnings and manage your subscriptions from the same savings page. To withdraw or adjust your savings, revisit the Savings section. Here, you can select options based on your investment preferences. Be sure to check the interest rates and terms for each savings option periodically. That completes your registration and setup for KuCoin Savings. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.